Hey guys, coming at you with another fidget spinner unboxing and review. And this one is from Angry Wolf. This is supposed to be a stainless steel spinner, and I've got the box upside down so you can see the logo. I'm going to turn it back over here so you can see the top of it. That's the design of the spinner. And let me rotate it around a little bit to read the writing on there. So the cover says Hand Spinner Premium Fidget Toy. And this one is still sealed in the plastic. I wanted to do a full unboxing for you so that you would see what I would see when I first get it from the out of the mail. At least that's the way I would like to see my reviews done from other people. And see if I can keep from slicing my hand open here. And this thing is very well sealed, so if for some reason it does get water on it during shipment, or it gets left on your front porch and gets rained on, even though it is stainless steel and stainless won't rust, the insert inside the box may be of velvet or cardboard, and so it might get wet and warp. So you can get a first view there. This does have a velvet lining in it. I can feel the velvet on the surface there. Very well form-fitted to the case. See if I can do anything with the focus there. Get a little bit better focus. So it does have a very nice case. Has a very noisy wrapper. And this thing has some weight to it. It does feel like it's about 2.5 ounces. It does feel like solid stainless steel. Let's get a good shot of the logo there. That's a very nice logo. That looks like a laser etched logo on there. Let me get the focus in there going good. There we go. This thing has got a lot of shine to it, so it's kind of hard to get a good view of the Angry Wolf logo there, because it does so reflective. If you like reflective, man, this one's going to be nice. And hopefully you can hear that. It does have a little bit of noise to it. I think it's a little bit noisier than the average spinner, but because this one is solid stainless steel, it is going to give off a little bit more noise. See if I can show you the strobe effect. And you can see this thing, it's got a nice spin time. It shows no signs of slowing down. Let you see it edge on there. Yeah, this is a nice spinner. I like nice heavy spinners like this. It's got some weight to it, so it's going to spin for a long time. The brushed stainless steel surface is going to give a nice strobe effect to it. And according to Angry Wolf, it is CNC machined from 100% stainless steel. It has a R188 bearing, and they claim a 5-minute or longer spin time. And from the way it feels, it does feel like it's going to be spinning for a while. On the Amazon, it's rated 4.6 out of 5 stars. And right now they have a sale going on. They are selling it for $35.90, and that includes free shipping. And if you have a Prime membership, you'll get this within, I believe, 2 to 3 days at the most. And the last time I checked, there were 10 in stock. So one of the great things about Angry Wolf is that they are a Prime shipper, which means all their stock is housed at Amazon. And so you're guaranteed that this is going to be a genuine Angry Wolf spinner when you get it in the mail. It's not going to be a counterfeit like I've seen happen to so many other spinner listings on Amazon. There'll be a whole bunch of counterfeiters who are shipping from China or from overseas, and they can't offer Prime. They ship it to the Amazon warehouse. Amazon can immediately look at it and determine that it is a counterfeit, that it doesn't have the proper logo on it, doesn't have the proper stuff that comes with it, any type of accessories, and they'll be able to yank it off the listing real quick. But if they're shipping from overseas, Amazon has no way of knowing exactly what's going to be sent to you in the mail. So let's get on to the major thing here. I'll get my focus going right, and on my timer, try to adjust my lights a little bit here so that my timer does show up better. That looks about as good as it's going to get. So let's get the old Angry Wolf here going. and we'll see if this thing does live up to its 5-minute spin time. So if y'all are ready, I'm ready. Got the focus ready. Let's get this thing in gear. So I'm going to try spinning this thing off and hitting the timer as quick as I can, but there will be a little bit of a delay, maybe a fraction of a second between spinning this and hitting the timer. And you're going to hear a little bit more noise because I'm using this black rubber mat to highlight the stainless steel so you can see the strobe effect better and get a better view as opposed to a white background. So this mat is going to reflect some of the sound, so it's going to be a little bit louder than what you would normally expect. So you can disregard that and just go by the sound from earlier when I first was holding it. So here we go. So there you have it. Angry Wolf, Angry Wolf delivers over 6 minutes right out of the box. This is truly one company that under-promises and over-delivers on their product. So if you get a chance, check out Angry Wolf on Amazon.com. There'll be a link down below in the description. Oh, and before I forget, I wanted to check out the bearings. I wanted to see exactly why this one spun so long. And it's taking me a little bit of effort to get the cap unscrewed. I do like a cap that has threads. The ones that just pop on sometimes will pop off. So yeah, these are this is an R188 bearing. You can see that it does have, looks like a stainless steel cage in there to separate the bearings. So these are stainless. I have heard that there are ceramic 188 bearings coming out, which, if from my experiments with 608 bearings, will mean that the ceramic version of the 188 is going to be a much faster, longer spinning spinner. So for anybody who likes to race their spinners or really likes a long spin time, keep your eyes open for any spinners that have the option of getting the R188 full ceramic or hybrid ceramic spinners. I mean bearings. I got spinners on the brain. So let me get the lid back, the cap screwed back down this one right here. And like I said, check out Angry Wolf. They make some beautiful spinners. They make some long spinning spinners. And they under promise and over deliver. You can't go wrong with Angry Wolf. And I'll talk with you later.